Let's start today's lecture. So in triangle ABC, angle A is pi by 3, B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3. If tan alpha is root 3 by 5, then you have to find what is the option correct, and this is Napier analogy, like tangent rule already explained. So what is the Napier analogy formula? So B is to C whenever they given, B by C, B plus C, B minus C, like that. And then we can use this condition. Tell me what is the Napier analogy? Tan of C here, tan of B minus C by 2 formula, tan of B minus C by 2 formula, tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to, formula is what? B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. This is the formula. Okay. According to this, I can write as tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to, what is B here? B is, see here, B is to C is 2 is to 3, then B is equal to something 2x and C is equal to something 3x. If there is ratio, then the side will be B is equal to x and C is equal to 3x. So what I can write here? 2x minus 3x by 2x plus 3x into cot A by 2, that is how much here? Cot pi by 3, how much? 60 degrees. 60 by 2 is how much? 30 degrees. So what I am getting here? Tan B minus C by 2 is equal to, I am getting minus x by 5x. Cot 30 degrees value how much? Cot 30 root 3. Cot 30 is how much? Root 3, x cancel out. So tan B minus C by 2 is equal to, you got minus root 3 by 5. Right. So here what I can do here, I can do that thing is I can take minus common here. So tan of, I can take this to remove this minus, applying minus on both sides. If I apply minus on both sides, tan of minus theta, it will become C minus B by 2 is equal to root 3 by 5. Okay, root 3 by 5 when you will get, see here, actually root 3 by 4 there is no value, but here tan alpha is equal to how much? Root 3 by 5. So can I write here this 3 by 5 as here? 3 by 5 I can write as tan of C minus B by 2 is equal to tan alpha. Can I write this is as a tan alpha? See, I'll repeat once again, I'll make you understand. See, this is the thing is the given. Angle A is pi by 3, B is to C is 2 is to 3. I didn't see this one. Tan alpha is equal to root 3 by 5. Then is asking what is the B angle, C angle. So we know that Napier formula, tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. So tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to, we are substituting these values here. After that we got 3 by, see we have here 3 by 5. So here minus you are getting. So inside I am making minus. So tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So sir, if I multiply minus on both sides, here is becomes plus and this minus will go inside. So C minus B by 2 you get. So this I now tan same, so I can equate the angles. So C minus B is equal to how much I got? 2 alpha. C minus B by 2 is equal to alpha. So C minus B is equal to how much? 2 alpha. So this is one equation I got. C minus B is equal to 2 alpha I got. Now I have to go for another one. Okay. Are you getting it? C minus B, how much you got? 2 alpha. Right? Any problem? Is it okay? Fine. So C plus B, how you get? Tell me. Sum of the angles in a triangle, how much? So here it is given angle A plus B plus C is equal to how much? Are 180 degrees na? Angle A how much is given? 60. So same that side. So angle B plus C is equal to 180 minus 60. So angle B plus C is equal to how much? 120 degrees. So this is second equation. Now solve the first equation and second equation. No? Solve first and second equation. This is, see, you are writing angle, no need to write. Capital B indicates that is only angle. No need to mention angle symbol. So here you get as B plus C is equal to 120 degrees, and here you can write as minus B plus C is equal to 2 alpha. And now if you do addition, I get 2C is equal to 120 plus 2 alpha. I can take 2 common, so C is equal to 60 degrees plus alpha. So see that C is equal to 60 degrees plus alpha is the right answer. And this is an advanced question, both options are correct. So C is equal to 60 plus alpha. If I substitute here if I substitute, B is equal to what I get here? Angle B, see, I write B only. B is equal to 120 minus C. So B is equal to 120 minus 60 plus alpha. That is, I get 60 degrees minus alpha. So B is 60 degrees minus alpha. So B and C are the right answers. Understood? Yeah, next question. In a triangle ABC, tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6. Tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6. Tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Then, okay, so tan A by 2 5 by 6, tan C by 2 2 by 5. Then option A B, C are in AP. Option B, cos A, cos B, cos C are in AP. Next, sin A, sin B, sin C are in AP. And D, none of this. None. So let us discuss this question now. Okay, after that I'll discuss the previous year JEE questions. See, in JEE mains, solution of triangle, they will ask easy questions. Only JEE advanced they ask difficult questions. Solution of triangle is most important for advanced, not for the mains. Mains you get out of 8 papers. If suppose January month 8 papers have done, so you can find hardly 1 or 2 questions, not much. 1 question hardly, otherwise 2 questions, not more than that. It means 8 papers you can see 2 in 2 papers. So advanced level it is important topic, but mains level you have to learn how much it is required. Even though I am explaining both the levels. Now here what I can say here, in triangle ABC, tan A is pi by 6, tan C by 2, tan A by 2, half angle loss. So yesterday I explained in Napier law and half angle loss. This is the question related to half angle loss. So tan A by 2 half angle formula. Tan A by 2 formula, can anybody tell me? Tan A by 2 into tan C by 2, half angle law formula. Tell me fast. What is half angle law? Under root of S minus A into S minus B divided by S minus B into S minus C S into S minus A, S into S minus A into, here this one, S minus A into S minus B divided by S into S minus C. Okay, we can write like this. So half angle law yesterday, check it once. Check it that. Check once here, tan A by 2 half angle law. Square root of S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A, and the square root of S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. So S minus C cancel out. S minus A cancel out. Here S minus B whole square will become S minus B. Square root cancel. S into S square, the square root cancel. And here tan A by 2 is 5 by 6. Tan C by 2 is 2 by 5. And 5 cancel. 2 ones are 2 3s are cancel out. So S minus B by, you can see that S minus B by S is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication here, 3S minus 3B is equal to S. So what I can write here, 3S send this side, this is S, okay? Don't confuse, this is not 5, it is S. Okay, so S minus B by S minus S. So what I get here, 2S is equal to 3B I'll get, correct? 2S is equal to 3B, am I right? So what is S value? 2 into S value can be written as A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 3B. Mean this 2 cancel out. So A plus C is equal to 3B minus B. So A plus C is equal to 2B. So these are in AP. So A plus C is equal to 2B. That is A comma B comma C are in AP, option A correct. But let's see here, is this sin A, sin B, sin C, cos A, cos B are also in AP? Listen here, A by sin B, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to K, we have formula. According to this, we can write sin A by A also, no problem. Okay, so what I want to write here, sin A by A I will write instead of this. Okay, so actually A is equal to, I will get, no, sin A is equal to, I will get 2 AK. Sin A is equal to AK. I write here reverse, sin A by A. Okay, I write here sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. Sin C by C is equal to K. So sin A is equal to AK, sin B is equal to BK, sin C is equal to CK. You know that if ABC are in AP, if the terms are in AP, if that sequence is multiplied by any constant term, the resulting also in AP. So here what I want to say here, sin A is AK, sin B is BK, sin C is CK, ABC are in AP, so then I want to say that AK, BK, CK also in AP. If AK, BK, CK are in AP, then sin A, sin B, sin C also in AP. So option A and C both are right answers. So about Napier formula, analogy and half angle law related. Yesterday I explained some question, now we have completed more questions. Okay, so let us see the next lecture, another questions.